Hello guys, welcome back to the strategy. Thank you so much for the support you've given me. Blessings to all of you, my subscribers, and those of you who haven't subscribed. I urge you to subscribe. So basically today I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that I sometimes use if I'm not using my trend strategy. But you see, these are results of my trend strategy. So you can see always, I told you, this trend strategy of mine catches very good moves. Look at that move, very good move. So today I'm trading in my local currency. As you can see, this is about this balance is about 1000 USD. As most of you know, nowadays I like to trade not more than 5000 USD in my account. Why? Is because I always put myself to challenge to new things. But I already have my strategy. It's working very well, but it's not enough to say that you can't get all knowledge and explore. So it's about forex is about continuously learning every day. At least you learn from your mistakes. So it's not good to say I used to do like 10,000 USD, but of course it's not a healthy thing. So big returns, of course, but if you're doing this as a long-term investment, you learn that this is what you have to do. It's not about getting rich today, it's not about getting rich tomorrow, but it's about perfecting what you do for the better. So as you can see today, so I'm going to break down to you simple steps that you can take to get yourself some good and catch some good trades. Because as you can see, for those of you who can't afford the strategy, just some simple steps that can help you. But of course you need some extra help from, of course, my knowledge, my other knowledge, but it's all underpaid. I give it plus the strategy all. It's not very expensive. Get in touch with me. The link will be below in the description if you want to get yourself the strategy. So basically, when I am teaching this forex stuff, basically with my strategy, I want to make sure that consistency is key. Risk management, just look at this risk management. Look at my lot sizes, you know. Risk management, and but of course what I emphasize mostly is risk management and consistency. I'm telling you, and there's a lot of patience with these markets. If it hasn't played out, leave that trade, look for another one, leave that pair. You know, there will always be a player, a pair that will play out with the strategy, you know. So let me break down to you without wasting any time. Let me break down some simple steps. This is 15 M15. So I always do analysis on H4, and I come back and make entries on smaller time frames. Why? Because those always bigger time frames, they determine small moves. Now look, I know you must be seeing those many red lines. So those are just like some zones you mark out. These things, they take time. You have to get time, because if you cannot afford the strategy from me, you have to basically go through these steps, you know, and you will make sure that you get something out of these markets. Now look, there is this part, there is this. So whenever these patterns, when it hits a resistance zone, so this point, when you know it is in a good uptrend, yes, then it bounces back like this. When you see such a chart, you mark that zone, so look what it did here, and this is the 200 EMA. So look what it does. It bounces back, same zone, and it comes back, and it goes back and bounces. That's an automatic sell for you. Sell automatically. But you see, you had marked out a zone again down here. But of course, when you see three heads like that, Of course, it will be like a framing of a head and shoulders, but whenever it does that, I would just know that by this point I would enter. At this point I would just enter a sale around this or around this. So you can see, and this is h4. So this is a very heavy move, good move. So when you go down, as you can see, even if you had held on, you can see it bounce back a little, but as you can see, very good move. So of course, so I marked out about these zones. See what the markets was doing here. This zone I called like this and up. So you will wait for it to break out of this pattern, and this is what it did again. Up there, hit it the first time, came back up, hit it again, went back up and hit it again. Those are 3 moves. So basically now you have to wait for it to break out of this zone, whether it breaks up or it breaks down. When it breaks up, wait for it again to retest that area. So look, this is what I'm trying to mean here. It retested again. Look around, look at this point here. So we had to retest this zone. That's why you see there is a red line I marked over there. There is a red line I marked over there already, this zone. So after retesting, I knew that would be a very big, strong support area. So after it shooting up again, boom, it went and it came back. I told you immediately it starts coming back, mark that zone out. You can put it around up to this area, so or you can stretch it later on when you see the markets are going. So when it came back straight to my support zone, just look straight to my support zone and bounced back, I knew this is an uptrend, but I just had to wait for the right entries. So when it went exactly to again my zone here and it bounced back, look how it is playing out. Look how it is playing out. So I just knew, as you can see, I already put this arrow and I knew it's gonna shoot up. There's something going on here. I just knew. So I just anticipated a move up. So when it bounced from this area, I just waited for it. So I look at this zone. There was a resistance zone there. So when it came to me and hit that zone again, I was just waiting for it now to break through that zone. And look what it did. Exactly where I caught my buys from. So everything is about patience. It's about patience. Please, you need to be patient with these markets if you don't have a good strategy which tells you really what to do, when to end a trade, all that. You need to be very patient. Don't play with your money. That's always advice I tell my students. Do never play with your money. This is your money. You put in your it is your hard-earned money. You should not play with it. Wait for setups, because even my strategy, you have to wait for specific setups, so that you can enter a trade. So it's all about patience. So you can see the move H1. Just look H1. Look at how nice that move is. M30. This is what happens in all my other YouTube videos. Right now, with this strategy I got, you can see I'm always riding these trends. This is like, you can check my past like 5 videos. I'm just riding trends. It's because I have my strategy and I have mastered my art. So if you want to get similar results and you find hard time, please, I don't have, get my strategy. Plus I also do, you go through a mentorship for roughly 1 week. I'm telling you, my friend, it is worth everything. You should really first acquire knowledge, then the money will come. You just have to be patient. So basically, my dear friend, that is it for today. I'll keep on updating you. As you can see, and this is just, you see, so as you can see, everything is going on well. Thank you so much for the support. I love you all. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Get in touch with me. The link will be below. Thank you so much. For now, bye. God bless you all. Thank you.